Dear students, my name is Kuldeep Singh. I am from Vishwanath IAS Academy, Kotla Nala. Dear students, we are preparing here you for the competitive examinations and also for the job interview process. Dear students, you know that you are all preparing for competitive examinations, and competitive examinations has basically three phases, that is written test, interview for all the civil jobs, banking and like that, and physical and medical test specifically also for army and police and defense services. So dear students, these are the three phases which you have to go through. Okay, basically here we wanted to tell you about what is interview. Okay, interview is meaning is looking into you, meaning what sort of person you are. So our basic endeavor is that to prepare you here besides your written examination for the interview process also. Like interview has many aspects, like first is knowledge, second is psychological thinking, third is quality judgments. As you are all preparing for senior level positions in UPSC, assistant commandant in police services or central police services, or for banking probationary officers, or any other for government jobs, or for public sector, or for private jobs. In all, you have to be in a leading position. So when you are in a leading position, definitely you are being judged not only for your knowledge but also for your psychological thinking, and the quality judgments are also being put by the interviewer. Now I wanted to tell you what is knowledge. The knowledge that you are acquiring, the knowledge you have acquired in subsequent years of your life, like in your schooling, your colleges, and preparation for competitive examinations. Also you have acquired the knowledge for mathematics, reasoning, GK, and subject knowledge. Besides this, you have studied about rules and regulations of the society and the social and political cultural knowledge of our India and the world across. So you are acquiring it through books, and you are also getting the knowledge from your faculty members and through internet, and the subsequent years of life through papers, magazines you have studied, you have acquired the knowledge. So knowledge is very important, and knowledge is power, as you know. So for any job interview you are preparing, you should have a sound knowledge of yourself. Next step comes, that is the psychological thinking is very important, because you are going to be in a leadership position at any place you are applying, like for banking, for UPSC civil examination, for HS examination, or for the defense or the police services. Definitely your personality is under check, and the interviewer wanted to check whether you are a person suitable for the job requirements or not. So your thinking process is judged by putting certain questions to you, whether you are a critical thinker, whether you are a positive thinker, or whether you are an analyzer thinker. Okay. Next thing is the ethics. What sort of ethics and values you are maintaining as a society as large and for yourself, that you are respectable people should be there, you maintain respects, honesty in the society, and like that. Then they are judging you the social and personal values you are having, that is you are leading a group of people. Definitely when you are leading a group of people, so your social interaction is very important, how you are interacting with the group at large, and one-to-one interaction with your fellow members, with your superiors and seniors. So what are values you are maintaining here, they are putting you certain sort of tricky questions to you. Then situation and problem solving ability is always very important for any leader, and this is being judged by putting once again the questions they are putting in the interview process. Like you are appearing for civil services examination or for banking, definitely they will ask you certain questions which is of utmost importance and required your ability to handle them. Like in civil services, you may be asked certain social problems which is coming across into the society, so how will you going to manage them? Okay, so these are the things they will be judging you in an interview, in the interview process, an individual being. The next thing is that the quality. Although you may ask to me that what is the difference in quality and psychological thinking, they are interrelated, but somehow the parameters are little bit different. That's why I highlighted here that psychology, you may be thinking very good, you may be thinking very high, but whether you are able to execute or not, it is the execution required. Like I am thinking something, but when we are going into a practical situation, whether my confidence shaken or not, I am courageous to execute that thing or not, I am determined, risk-taking ability to complete that task or not. So these are the ability being they wanted to judge an individual being. So my dear friends, I just wanted to highlight here is that whenever you are preparing for any competitive examinations, you should not only prepare for written test also, but also for your interview, because written test have a specific sort of course content is there which you have to study, but the interview has a varied knowledge required and the personality development required in an individual being. It is not a one day process, it is not a 1 week process, it is a continuous process in your life through which you will develop your personality and the knowledge, the thinking also, to get clearance in the interview process. So my dear friends, my best wishes is there that you should prepare well for your competitive examinations, for your career, aspiring career. Come to Vishwanath Academy for written test and for the interview process near Kotla Nala Chowk, Solan. Our phone number is 70188 26370. Thank you very much.